Fans call it the fastest growing sport in the world. Stand-up paddleboarding is becoming more and more popular on Suncoast beaches and waterways. Well, today a proposal went before the county commission to rent paddleboards on Siesta Key Public Beach. SNN's John Woodruff has more on what the commissioners decided.
Rob Alfieri sees stand-up paddleboarding as the next big thing.
If you're on the beach, you can't really see, but when you're on top of the water and you're paddling out, it opens up a whole new world.
At Wednesday morning's Sarasota County Commission meeting, Alfieri spoke in support of a proposal to rent stand-up paddleboards at the public beach on Siesta Key.
If you have in a high-traffic area like Siesta Key Beach and they're exposed to it there and they have a good experience and they get to learn how to do it, then they're going to want to visit other areas.
The proposal met opposition from county parks and recreations and lifeguards, who say they've rescued 26 stranded paddleboarders in the past year.
In the Gulf of Mexico, conditions change, at a moment's notice. Winds could pick up, waves could pick up.
The central issue for lifeguards: launching boards within a swim zone.
A paddleboarder could fall off, and when they fall off their board then becomes a projectile and could hit a swimmer.
It was never our intention to have it in the swim zone.
Alfieri says their intention was to meet at the rental area before an instructor took a group on guided tours outside the public beach. Despite Commissioner Joe Barbetta's support of the proposal, in a 4-1 vote, the county voted against both altering the Siesta Beach swim zones and allowing rentals through the concessionaire. Reporting in Sarasota, John Woodruff, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
Well, a number of companies still offer stand-up paddleboard rentals, and Sub Sarasota sponsors races and other events every year.